Genders of the Railroad, Part 22, Evil Engine Beyond Repair. It was springtime on Sodor, and the engines were being useful for the last time. But one day, Yucky Gross was an evil engine, and she was not friendly. Mr. Cakester came to see Fleemza. "Today, Fleemza," he said, "I'd like you to pull 157 cars today." "That's a lot of cars, sir." Before long, the guard got in his caboose, and the whole train departed the yard, and Fleemza steamed onto the northeast corridor. "Here I go," she said. "Goods train coming through." Meanwhile, Diesel was talking to the evil engine Yucky Gross. "I have a plan and you're not in it," she said. "That's an evil thing to say and I love that." "Ha ha ha," laughed Diesel. Meanwhile, Fleemza was hauling her train through the mountains. "I enjoy being a good engine," she said. "Women engines like me can always do a good job." And she steamed around the mountains. The train was huge. The station master watched the whole big train go by his station. It was a long one. Fleemza soon came over a bridge, and the nice green fields were growing nice green grass. "I hope nothing's in my way," Fleemza said, but she was wrong. Evil Yucky Gross was pulling a train of hazardous materials, and she was not friendly. "I don't care about trains," she said. "I care about freight cars." "That's what she said," laughed the trucks. "Ha ha 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 ha. We once made Percy crash with that evil truck into that house." And the troublesome trucks laughed. "I must go faster," said evil Yucky Gross. She was cross. Then she began to speed up. "I'm going 1,000,000 miles an hour, just fast!" Then Fleemza saw the engine ahead. "Oh my goodness! You're on the wrong track!" "It feels good to be on the wrong track," laughed the evil engine Yucky Gross. "I don't care about you," said Fleemza. Her driver threw the whole train into emergency braking. And it was too late! "Oh no!" cried the freight cars. "There's been an explosion!" And fire raged and raged. When the explosion stopped, everything was peaceful. Luckily, no one was hurt, but many cars had derailed, and Fleemza was upside down. "I'm stuck," she said. And evil Yucky Gross was destroyed beyond repair. "This looks petrifying," Becky said. "I'll help this engine in no time." "Thank you," said Fleemza. A few days went by after the accident happened, and the trains were being really useful by doing their work. Things were going well on the tracks with freight cars and passengers, with what they haul every day. And Fleemza was repaired, and she was back in service by doing a good job hauling freight. "I enjoy hauling freight," said Fleemza, "but even though that engine's beyond repair, I am still really useful." evil, yucky, gross was beyond repair. She was left in a farm field where cows can eat hay. It feels good to be good, said Fleemza, but even though I'm really useful and good working order, it's best to keep track of everything I do. And that was the last part. Thank you.